What's up guys, my name's Alex, welcome to the Bug Out Life YouTube channel. G'day everyone, if you've seen my videos before, welcome back, and if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be starting a whole new project, which is this van behind me here. Usually on this channel, I've been building an off-road square drop camper from completely scratch, DIY, never done it before. So if you want to see those videos, I think there's about 18 episodes and a reveal video for that. Check it out, and I really appreciate it. But like I said, today we're going to start on this van. Now this van here, it's not for myself, it's for my uncle. I've donated my time to build this for him because he is doing it for a charity rally for the Cancer Council. So he's raising money for cancer awareness and cancer research. So what we're doing is we're building this van for this rally that he's doing. There's a few parameters such as age, has to be two-wheel drive, has to be under a certain weight, all that good stuff. And what we have here is a 1995 Toyota Town Ace. We're going to be doing a bed, a fridge, a power system, just all that basic stuff to make it usable for his whole rally. I think it's about 5 days off-road. So before we get into the build video, I just want to show you guys how the camper van started and what it looked like when we picked it up. As you can see, it was made up as a camper van already, but it just sort of had some old wooden retrofitted furniture inside of it to make it usable. That was not going to cut it for our rally, so we stripped it out, as you can see, and now we have a clean slate to work with for our own build. Damn, I'm good. Alright, so the first step is done, as you guys could have seen in the videos there. So we've put our drawers in. This has given us a nice flat platform to put our mattress on. We're going to do a double mattress in here. I do just need to build a bit more of a frame up the front there, just where the head of the mattress will sit, because there's a big gap there, which is where we're going to hide some batteries, and we're going to have a bit of storage for, you know, camp chairs, table, all that kind of stuff. But they're nice big drawers, 1300 long, so plenty of storage space. Which is beautiful. But yeah, so that's that part done. We're going to look at doing the frame now so that we can have a nice flat platform to work with from here, and then we'll get on to some more stuff from there. Alright guys, so we've got our King's control box here. It's just a budget-friendly control box which has some built-in switches, fuses. It's got a little power gauge as well, so you can pretty much run all your power straight to here. And then run all your switches and lights and fans and everything all here, and it's in one spot, so pretty handy there. We attach it here just so it's sort of near the bedroom area. And then you can lay in bed, you know, charge your phone, switch your lights on and off. But yeah, we're ticking along well. So unfortunately I did damage my phone. I lost a lot of the build videos. So what I'll show you now is what I call the near finished product. A few little tweaks, but it's pretty much there. So we comfortably fit in our double mattress here, plenty of space. We have our 2 trundle drawers, which are 1300 long each, which is heaps of storage. Moving towards the side of the van, you can see that my uncle put a few stickers on there with the words "Give a hand to cure cancer." That's his sort of motto for this build and the events that he's going to be doing. Moving up to the roof now, we put a nice light bar on there. We've got solar to charge that battery that we put in. We have a awning, and we also have a shower awning on the other side. And we have a hot water shower on top there and a spare wheel with a few other bits and bobs. Moving it back into the bedroom now, we have a whole bunch of storage underneath the mattress, which is really handy for, you know, some chairs, some bags, and whatever else you want to fit under there. Moving into our power system, we have our fan hooked up there, we have some lights, and then our battery is directly under all of that, underneath the mattress there where we had that compartment. And then as you can see there as well, we put a little center console fridge in, which is super handy for keeping some drinks cold and a little bit of snacks. And that is pretty much the van build there. Alright, so now that you guys are up to date with the build so far and where we're at, we are about to start the Great Endeavour Rally Weekend Edition. It's just a one-day rally through Queensland here. It should be nice. It's about 300 kilometres. We're at the start gate now, so I'll take you along for the trip for that, and we'll see how we go.
Double Trouble, Lakeside Lunatics, and the Chaz Brothers.
You are good to go.
Alright guys, so we're on the move here. We have our navigational card here. Basically you just got to pay attention to each of the kilometre markings, and you know, whether you're going to go left, right, over a crest, turn around, all that kind of stuff. So we're cruising. It's about a 300 kilometre trip today, so yeah, really looking forward to it. Alright, so we just hit the first dirt road in our little crappy van here. So
Crappy! It's not crappy!
hopefully it makes it. I think we should be right.
Oh yeah!
Alright guys, so we've made it to the first checkpoint here. Everyone's lined up to get their times all checked off. We've done about probably 60 kilometres now. I think there's 5 checkpoints through the day, so we'll tick this one off the list and we'll keep going. G'day folks, how we going?
Number two. What is
11:03 in.
Pick a card.
Oh, that one.
Okay.
Oh, that's a good one.
Queen of Diamonds.
Getting all the big numbers out of the way,
Yeah.
early.
Awesome.
Okay.
Thanks very much.
You're right.
Off we go.
Have a good one.
Yep.
Zeros down there?
Yep.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Alright guys, we're just shy of a third of the way there. We've done about 100 kilometres today. I tell you what, the views on this drive have just been absolutely mesmerising. I feel like you'd never see half this stuff unless you actually came on one of these rallies. So I definitely suggest it to any of you viewers out there to check it out and you know, enjoy it. Reached our second checkpoint, which is our sausage sizzle lunch. Okay, gentlemen. Alright guys, we're in a little town called Maryvale now. We just started our last stage of this rally. It's about a 68-kilometre stage, so not too much further to go. As you guys would have seen in the clips that you've been watching, there's some pretty rough stuff, but the van has held up pretty well. Only a broken handbrake cable, so can't complain about that. Let's see how this last stage goes and we'll get through it. Howdy! Great, we made it. Alright guys, well that's 300 kilometers done. We just pulled back into the showgrounds here at Calabar, which is our stop for the night. We'll do some presentations later on. The van made it, the van did very well. Only a couple little minor things that we'll have to fix later on, but pretty happy with the results. So, but other than that, it was a good trip.
Firstly, who had a good day out on the road today? But yeah, obviously today was a little bit of a celebration of what you managed to achieve over the last couple of months fundraising wise. Just took a look at the number and we are pushing $38,000. So thank you very much for that.
Well guys, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much to the Endeavour Foundation team for putting on this event. Super great experience, and it was a really good chance to get our van out to test it out for the big rally later in the year. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.